How to enable Hey Siri function on your iPhone. That means whenever you say Hey Siri, then Siri will be automatically activated. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your iPhone settings. And guys, I wanna say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And now come back to the main point. Once you are on your iPhone settings, now scroll down a little bit, and here you will get Siri and Search. Tap on here, and after that at the top you will get listen for Hey Siri. So all you gotta do, enable this toggle and then tap on continue. And now you have to read these sentences loudly. And then tap on done. And through this our work is done. So from now on, if I say Hey Siri, open the YouTube app, and from now on whenever I say Hey Siri, then Siri will be activated automatically. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.